Hello everyone. In our final OneSearch tutorial, we'll introduce you to wildcards and truncation. Wildcards let you search for variations of a word with a single query. By using symbols like the asterisk or a question mark, you can capture multiple spellings or word endings at once. This will save you time and ensure that you don't miss results just because an author used a different form of your keyword. So first we want to get to the OneSearch homepage. So from the Bakersfield College homepage, we're going to click the magnifying glass in the top right, type library, click the first result, and here you can click the research tab or scroll about halfway down the page and click find books and more with OneSearch to be taken to the OneSearch homepage. So here, if we wanted to use truncation, this is helpful for when you want to look for all possible variations of your keyword. For example, if you wanted to search for library, libraries, librarian, librarians, you could use truncation to retrieve results for all of those by just performing one search. So what you would do is employ the asterisk. So to the root of the search term, in this case, it would be library with an asterisk. So what this means is that anything that follows this particular stem will be retrieved in the results. So it's going to find librarian, librarians, library. You hit search. And as you can see, we have library here, libraries. So this way, you don't have to perform tons of different searches. You can just use the asterisk and bring back all those results. Now, another wildcard that you could use is the question mark. So what this is it replaces a single character in your search. For example, if you were looking for woman or women, you could type that. And so what that's going to do is retrieve all results that contain woman or women. So that way, you don't have to perform multiple searches once again. And you could also do that with variations of spelling such as gray, because maybe there's a British writer who spells it G-R-E-Y as opposed to G-R-A-Y, and so this will retrieve all of those results. So keep in mind that wildcards aren't necessarily universal. While most databases play by these same rules, some of them use different symbols. If you're not entirely sure what wildcards are available for you, you can check the database's help page or simply ask a librarian. And that's it for our final OneSearch tutorial. Now you're ready to search smarter in OneSearch. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or any other friendly BC librarian. We're here to help. Thank you.